Alright, I'm going to show you how to make a MP3 into a iPhone ringtone. First, you need to have an MP3 that you want to use. I'm using Ronald Jenkins' Red Lemonade Remix. Open up iTunes. I also like to open it up into an audio editing program so I could just get the 30 seconds or so that I want to use in my video. Or, I mean, in my ringtone. I'm just going to do the first 30 seconds. Save this out. Alright, then I go into iTunes, drag over the ringtone file or the 30 seconds that you wanted. Right click it, create AAC version, and if you don't see this in the menu, enable it inside of the settings. Then I bring this one over. It's an M4A file. I delete this just so that I can remember what I'm doing. You can delete this one too, doesn't really matter. Then you have to go into here, and inside of here you need to change M4A to M4R. If you can't see the file name, you have to edit that inside of Windows settings, the folder settings. Then you drag it back over. You could change it to tones so that you just see it come in. And then you just sync it underneath your iPhone. And there you go. That's it.